How to fix required applications are not installed correctly issue when opening Windows Start menu. 1. Run GitOps package all shell experience package type bundle %apps package register disable development mode, $_install location plus \ops metadata \ops bundle manifest.xml, command in PowerShell, admin mode, to re-register start menu. 2. Run SFC and DISM scan as admin. 3. Create new user account. 4. Perform system restore. 5. Perform reset this PC, cloud reset, or in-place upgrade repair Windows.